instructions will teach you how to install Silhouette Studio on your computer, cut out your creations, use Silhouette Design Store, and find resources to help you create the perfect project. Start by taking your Cameo out of its box. Then discard any tape and packing foam that covers the lid and blade carriage. A basic instruction manual is included to provide detailed instructions on how to more fully use your new cutting system. Plug the included AC adapter into both the wall and the right-hand side of the Silhouette. Then use the included USB cable to connect your Cameo to your computer. Turn on your Cameo by pressing the power button. Go through the initial setup screens to select your language and other options. The Silhouette Studio software allows you to create and cut your own unique designs. To install the software, insert the software CD into your computer. Your basic instruction manual explains how to install the software on either a PC or a Mac. Once the software has been installed, open Silhouette Studio. When the software loads, you'll see an adjustable 12 by 12 inch cutting area on the screen. Start a simple project by clicking on the text tool, then click on the cutting area and start typing. You can type and cut using any font on your computer. Let's say this is the project you are ready to cut. Remove the liner from the cutting mat and place your material onto it. In this example, we will use cardstock. Silhouette Studio will show you where your materials should be placed on the mat. In the software, click on the Design Page button. In the Design Page panel, click and drag the Reveal slider right or left to show or hide the software cutting mat. Revealing the cutting mat helps you know where to position your material on the actual cutting mat based on your design. Lift the lid. You will use different blade depths to cut different materials as directed in the software. Since this example involves cutting cardstock, you will want to use a blade depth of 3. To adjust the blade depth, unlock the blade holder and remove the blade. Place the blade into the adjustment socket so that the arrow on the socket lines up with the red line on the blade. Rotate the blade until the arrow on the adjustment socket is pointing to the number 3 on the blade. Now place the blade back into the blade holder and lock it into place. Align the left edge of your cutting mat with the blue guide marks, being sure that the top of the mat is resting against the white rollers. You can then automatically load your mat into the Cameo by tapping the Load Cut Mat button on the touchscreen. In the software, click on the Cut Settings button. In the Cut Settings panel, select your material type. In this case, click on cardstock. Now click on the Send to Silhouette button and then click on Start. Once the Silhouette has finished cutting, tap the Unload button on the touchscreen to unload your cutting mat. You may now remove your perfectly cut design. Silhouette sells materials such as vinyl that have their own non-stick backing, and these can be cut without using a mat. To do this, unlock the main roller bar, then twist and slide the right-hand roller to the notch in the roller bar that matches your material size. The roller bar has notches for A4, letter, 12-inch, and 13-inch material. Explore the many other options inside the Silhouette Studio software by consulting the basic instruction manual and our online tutorials.